Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's recipe or menu, we're going to be preparing something new, spaghetti or okay guys, so here are the list of the ingredients. We have a vegetable oils, pasta, etc. etc. I'm going to be bringing them out one by one so it's be easier to understand the ingredients. So we have crayfish. I don't know, this is my one of my favorites spice for cooking. It's spicing up everything. Either you bring your crayfish or you bring your prawns. Don't forget to blend it, or you can wash it and put it like that. Then for next ingredients, we have our chill pepper, ubien, big pepper. I don't know, but I just call it big pepper. Okay, I can. It's either called big pepper or chili pepper. Anyways, these are my ingredients. So we have our big pepper. Guys, don't forget to remove the seed. Once you're cutting inside of it, please try to remove the middle, cut out the middle part away. Okay, and then you don't forget to dice it little by little, like I said. So see how fresh my pepper is looking. That's how fresh my food is gonna be. So we're moving to our next ingredients. That's onion. Guys, don't forget to chop your onions, cut it in half, and as you're doing that, don't forget the last time I did this, I was literally crying while doing it. So guys, I don't know. So you cut your onion little by little. It's really worth the time. Chopping it small, small, it's really worth the time. Okay, after this, we're moving to our next. Our next ingredient is pomo cow skin. Oh my god, I just love this. Don't forget, guys, before using it, it comes with a lot of dirt and yeah, get to wash it. And I'm done. This is it. I'm done washing. Okay, before cutting it little by little for the next process. Then we start with our meat. It's already cut out. I've already cut it out, guys. Don't forget. All right, so we're moving to our cooking. Très bien maintenant. Okay, it's time. Put your meat on fire. It is on fire. You get to add your ingredients, your pepper, salt, Korean thyme to spicing up your meat. Now moving to the next part. While the meat is on fire boiling, you can get another burner. I have two burners, so I can get to use my two burners at the same time. Use another burner to put your spag on fire, all right? While your meat is boiling. Okay, after that, you put your spag inside a pot. You put half cup of water and let it to boil, okay? So while it's boiling, don't forget you can always shake, okay? Then always check, you can maybe set a timer after 10 to 15 minutes, you can go back to check it again. Okay, after that is done, when your spag is done, okay, there are two ways to prepare your spag. You can either parboil it before making your sauce or put it to, but mine is parboiling. This is the best way. You parboil it first. After parboiling it, you use sieve to drain the water. Okay, don't forget, guys. As soon as the spag is done, you put your colander and you sieve your spag, getting it ready for your sauce. All right. Don't forget your meat is still on fire. So we're moving to our sauce now. The ingredients we need to prepare our delicious sauce for our spag. We have our beef, blended fresh tomato. We have our pepper and tin tomato, onion, and our garlic, curry, and thyme, and our onion, as well as salt. You can as well add any ingredients. Choice. Moving on to the next part, we have to put our blended tomato on fire. Okay. Why are you putting it on fire? So that it can steam. Okay, you don't just use it like that to make a sauce. You have to put it on fire so it can steam and it will become more delicious. Okay, let it steam. Like I said, look at after some minutes, I let it steam. These are the crucial steps while preparing a delicious spaghetti, guys. Please don't miss out any step if you want your spag, your food to be so yummy. Okay, let it steam. Okay, it can steam for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes maximum. Then we add our oil, our granite oil. Okay, in French it's called Ila Rashid. Okay, we add our Ila Rashid, we add our granite oil while the tomato is still on fire. Then next we stir. Okay, while you stirring it so that the oil and the tomato. So you get to mix both the tomato and the oil together. Then after stirring for some minutes, you cover it and let it boil up. Moving on to the next part, we have our pasta. Like I said, after sieving it, you let it rest. You drain the water away. You use your spatula to lift it up. Some people put oil after the spag has been drained so it doesn't mix up. Okay, this is a crucial part. Adding our pasta and our sauce together. Don't forget, always be cautious about how soft or how hard your pasta is. So once you're done mixing it up together with your sauce, you know the quantity of water to add. Diving right back to our food. Okay, so this is the way it is after some minutes of cooking. Okay, you can see our pomo, you can see our ingredients inside. I'm literally stirring it up to mix our ingredients, our tomato and our pepper, our ingredients that's down with the pot. Okay. Okay, the reason why you're stirring is because this is the opportunity you have. You don't stir your spag when it's with your tomato. You cover it, then after it boils, then you get to stir and you stir to mix up your ingredients properly. After the stir, then the next step is to cover it so everything can mix up together. Okay, my amazing people. If you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and do well to give us a like. That's a thumbs up, and you can as well tap the bell icon for amazing videos. Wow, how delicious did this turn out to be! So yummy. Don't forget to follow the recipe step by step. Can you perceive the aroma already? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it.